Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can add someone on Clickup. There are two ways you can do to add someone on Clickup. Now let's get started right now. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click invite at the very bottom left. Click invite and then paste here the email or the name of the person that you want to add to your Clickup so that they can join you on Clickup. And then click send invite here. And this person will receive an email from you from Clickup, and then they can join you. Now another way, guys, you can do to add someone on Clickup is to click on this arrow in the top left, this arrow here. Click on it and then click it again in the top left, and you will see here the board. Okay, board, click on it. As you can see in the top, click on board, and if you can see here, after you click on board, in the top left, in the top right, you will see here the share button. Click on it, and here you can then invite someone by name or email. Put it here and then click invite here. This red button, it will show here. Click invite and this person will receive an email from Clickup, and then they can join you. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.